Okay, so they want us to describe the relationship between the values in table 1A and the resulting graph in 1B. So remember, our table values are here and the graph is this one right here. So I think what they want us to do is just basically talk about how the velocity is on the x-axis and the kinetic energy is on the y-axis. You know what I'm saying? Like velocity is down here and kinetic is the vertical axis. And maybe we'll say something about how it's an exponential graph like this. It's an exponential curve. So let's check it out. So describe the relationship between the values in table 1A and the resulting graph in 1B. The velocity values, that's a good word, in the table are represented by the horizontal axis on the graph. Now let's talk about kinetic energy. The kinetic energy values from the table is the vertical axis. Then let's talk about how the values from the table forms an exponential curve on the graph. The values from the table form an exponential curve on the graph. Oh, and then to take this even further, we may want to talk about specifically for a situation that it has to do with our wrestlers, right? So, how would I explain that? Let's see. The graph shows that the wrestlers, let's look at our graph. Okay, so as the wrestlers develop more velocity, they have more kinetic energy. Develop more velocity, then they have more kinetic energy. So something like that I think would work. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, so let's go on to the next word problem, 1D, I believe.